Near the water heater and the camping chairs and the other clutter that can build up is a place, a vault of experiences. Memories that wouldn't burn with the other things in a fire. Memories that seal with 1-inch solid steel rods that go in their place like a trigger finger for a harvest. Memories of missed opportunity and of first chances. Memories downrange and up close. The glory lies in the remembrance of the times we had in the field, alone or with each other. To safeguard not only what can be replaced, but to also protect times that have passed. With an unlimited lifetime warranty, experience can rely on Old Glory.